to 299 Queen Street. Neighbor advises the fire alarm is going off at that residence. They do not think anyone is home. That is 299 Queen Street for a residential fire alarm. Fire dispatch to North Huron Blyth. Respond to 299 Queen Street for residential fire alarm. Called in by the neighbor. It's not thought anyone's home. That's 299 Queen Street. Cross Street is Hamilton, and the time is 21:38.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2.
Go ahead, Car 2.
Page acknowledged for the Blythe station.
Roger, Car 2. Page acknowledged for Blythe. Fire dispatch to North Huron Wingham. Be advised, Blaze Hall has been paged for a residential fire alarm, 299 Queen Street. Fire dispatch to North Huron Wingham. Be advised, Blythe Station has been paged for a residential fire alarm, 299 Queen Street. Called in by neighbor, no one thought to be home. Cross Street is Hamilton, and the time is 21:39.
Fire dispatch, Car 2.
Go ahead, Car 2.
Page acknowledged for Wingham. My apologies, I thought you were done paging.
No worries at all, thank you.
Fire dispatch, Car 3.
Go ahead, Car 3.
Car 3 is on scene at 299 Queen Street, which is multiple resident housing. Nothing showing. Did they give a unit number by any chance?
That's negative. It was called in by a neighbor, unknown that it was multiple units at that time. And I've confirmed you're on scene. It's multi-resident housing, nothing showing.
Fire dispatch, Car 3.
Go ahead, Car 3.
You can mark the alarms showing in unit number 107.
Roger, alarm showing in unit 107.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 responding to an alarm, 299 Queen Street, Foxtrot, Fox 4 belt.
So engine 6 responding, Foxtrot +4 belted.
Engine 6, Car 3.
Go ahead, Car 3 for engine 6.
Unit number 107, first floor, southwest corner, alarm sounding, nobody visible, doors locked, and it's gain entry.
Copy that. Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 on scene. Foxtrot will be in command. Command will be mobile.
Roger, engine 6 on scene, Foxtrot command mobile.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, engine 1 responding, Alpha +5 belted.
Roger, engine 1 responding, Alpha +5 belted.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, tank 9.
Go ahead, tank 9.
Tank 9 responding, 299 Queen Street, hotel +2 belted.
Roger, tank 9 responding, hotel +2 belted.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 9 on scene.
Roger, tank 9 on scene.
Fire dispatch, you can show entry speed to the unit.
Roger, entrance made to unit.
Hotel, car 3. Give me extinguishers to the door and hook up charge lines.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Entry's made to the apartment. It looks like it's going to be a chicken burning in the oven. It's isolated and under control.
Roger, command. Chicken burning in the oven, isolated and under control.
North Huron command, engine 1. North Huron command, engine 1.
Go ahead, command, engine 1.
Engine 1, you can stand down and return to station.
Roger that. We'll leave you with the chicken.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
We're just ventilating the apartment. We found the occupant. He's 10-4.
Roger, command. You're ventilating the apartment. The occupant is 10-4. Are you wanting ambulance canceled at this time?
Yeah, I don't think we need EMS here.
Roger, EMS not required. Can I also cancel OPP, or what are your wishes?
Yeah, they're not required either.
Roger, OPP not required.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch, can you make contact with Huron County Housing, please? We need to use force access to unit number 1 here at 299 Queen Street in Blyth. So obviously there will need to be some door replacements or...
That's Roger, car 3. You're requesting Huron County Housing. I believe they will need to be replacing a door at unit 107. Your transmission was very 10-1.
Dispatch, car 3, yeah, that's correct. If you can just notify Huron County Housing, unit 107, they'll need to replace the door.
That's Roger, contacting Huron County Housing for door replacement of unit 107. 215842.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead, receive.
Dispatch, if you're able to make contact with Huron County Housing, you can also update them that they're going to need to silence the alarm. We do not have access to the panels. There's no keys here, so the alarms are still going.
That's Roger. We already did speak with them. The property manager is going to be attending, and ETA is only 5 minutes.
Thank you. Confirm that.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Huron County Housing person arrived.
That's Roger. The Huron County Housing key holder is on scene. Time is 22:08:12.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, command.
Yeah, ventilation's complete, lost and stopped. Air quality checks are good. Command is terminated. The building's been turned back over to Huron County Housing, and all units are returning to station.
Roger, command. Ventilation complete. Lost stopped. Air quality checks good. Building turned over to Huron County. All trucks clear returning.